Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a VPN that prioritizes speed and has servers near the Call of Duty region you need. This reduces ping. Create your account, subscribe, and install the client on your PC or on a router if your console needs it. Once installed, enable the kill switch and auto-connect so your IP is never exposed. Then select a nearby gaming server. This is the first actionable step to actually get into the game with a stable, private connection. Next, configure the client for optimal performance. Choose WireGuard for lower latency. Use OpenVPN if you need proven stability. Once done, enable split tunneling so Call of Duty traffic goes through the VPN while other apps use your regular connection, which saves bandwidth. If you play on console, make sure the router is running the VPN or share the VPN connection from your PC. This avoids complex console setups. Finally, launch COD and check the server region matches your intended location. Finish by testing your in-game latency and doing a quick speed test. You'll see slightly higher ping, but routing should be stable. Once done, clear the game cache and restart your modem or router, then reconnect the VPN before rejoining a match. Make sure NAT is open for best matchmaking. If things go wrong, switch to a different VPN server or change protocol, because many issues stem from an overloaded server. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.